Now, my friends, this is where we get really excited. So, got an LS under the hood, right? We'll show you that in just a second. What's the LS missing? Well, like a lot of guys that get these projects going and you throw an LS in there, wiring seems to be a big hurdle.
Ooh, that just
right?
made me queasy.
You
said wiring.
You guys need to find out about HotwireAuto. This is their 99 LS1 to 4L80E transmission and ECU programming setup. These guys are fantastic. They're a lifesaver. When I found them, I was like, you gotta be kidding me, man. So imagine a standalone harness for any kind of setup. You basically can call them, right? He's always available on the phone. And you just basically tell him your setup and tell him, like, like me, I called him and said, hey, I got a 78 Trans Am, doing an LS in. So here's what I need. Ship in the computer. He'll flash your computer. And I'm telling you, man, any setup is really, it's all customizable. When you look at this wiring harness, you get really noticing some things that are unique and different. Everything's labeled, everything's wired, everything's shrink wrap protected. All these clips, all these things they're always looking for, man, they're right here on it, ready to rock.
And they're all labeled.
Yeah.
Super simple, and it's really plug and play, because once he's stripped out all the stuff you don't need, right? You just have your basic wires of ground, power, right?
Exactly.
And the cool thing is, all your harness and everything comes with the grommet, and you can put the ECU, TCU inside the car. So this is gonna run both the engine and the 4L80E.
Nice.
So, man, it makes it super easy to connect a couple wires up, do your connectors, and turn the key.
Yeah, man.
Fired up. So I'm hoping we get to fire it up today.
I'm hoping we get it fired up too. Fingers crossed. But we're gonna get this thing in, see if we can light it up.
All right.